show you how to work that.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive before I get them.
Hey everyone, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today, I'm so excited. I'm finally going to be doing the Is It Worth It? Let Me Work It on the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Longwear Concealer. I've been using it a ton lately, and I found that there weren't really that many reviews on it, and I can see why. We'll get into that in a little bit. But if you wanted to know how to get this look, then I will leave a little timestamp either here or in the description box saying when the actual look starts. It's like a really quick get ready with me. I haven't really been wearing much foundation, so concealer has been it for me. So this is typically like something that I would do day to day now, especially in the winter. It retails for $21 and has 0.17 fluid ounces of product. I feel like the packaging screams minimal, modern type of look to it, and I love it with the copper handle. It has a doe foot applicator. This is what it looks like. I love that it has a copper handle. I don't know, it just makes it look super pretty. I purchased this off of Macy's.com. I know you can also get it on their website, origins.com, but besides that, I did not find it on Sephora or any other place. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough, but I definitely didn't find it on Sephora or Ulta at that, I don't think. So the only issue I have is that it only comes in 4 shades. I know that their brand is mostly known for their skincare, but 4 shades. One that I'm using is 01 Light. So this is the one that is the lightest, which means, I mean, I'm fair right now, but I know I'm not fair. So if you are super fair, I don't think that you'd be really able to wear it. Then they only have light, medium, and then medium deep. So I'm going to read you a little bit of what it says on the website that makes it anti-aging and blurs out lines and wrinkles and stuff like that. It says, this anti-aging concealer with anogenesis helps cover dark circles, plus visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and flaws instantly and over time. And the creamy coverage effortlessly floats over the skin without creasing, caking, or sticking. Long wearing, ophthalmologist tested. Funny word. I will continue to purchase this. It's just their whole shade range, which I don't know if they're ever planning on expanding, but it is such a good concealer, and I would just want everyone to try it out, you know, like everything else. So enough with the talking about it. Now I'm going to be showing you how it applies. I'm actually going to be showing you like a little get ready with me, because this is such an easy and fast look. So I'm going to be showing you that right now.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
I forgot to mention, I already filled in my brows, but of course you already saw that. And I used the Benefit Foolproof brow powder. I've been trying out the whole collection, Desi Perkins set kit thing, and I've been loving it so far.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire. colors creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Now for my overall thoughts, you guys have seen me use this concealer if you've been watching my previous videos. I have been loving it on camera and outside. Like I said, it's been one of the very few concealers that I have been picking up lately just because they do last really long, and I just love the way that it makes my under eyes look. It blends out so easily, so nicely, and you can see that repeatedly over and over again as I use it over and over again. I also wanted to mention that all of the products that I used for today's, like, I guess, mini get ready with me, I have been loving lately, which is why I wanted to include them, because they've been products that, like, I've been loving for a very minimal, just like hydrated, moisturized, glowy every single day type of feel. Around a gym setting, it's just like, I feel like it's appropriate, whatever. I haven't seen the other shades, but definitely let me know if the other shades suit you or how you feel about them. And that concludes this Is It Worth It? Let Me Work It. Give this video a thumbs up if you did indeed like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because what are you doing? Hit the bell button, that way you can get notified whenever I do post a video, which is every Thursday and Sunday. Again, thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch one of my videos. I always and truly appreciate it. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye. Tia, what was that? Who does that? Welcome back to my channel. If you recently in my previous videos. What? No. Stop overthinking. Stop it. I bought this. Hey. I have these birds that won't shut up.